so let's ahead. So multiply natin yung numerator tsaka denominator ng x minus 5. Okay, let's proceed. Paano naman natin makancel itong x minus 2? We multiply by x minus 2 para makancel. Okay? Para makancel yung x, we multiply by x. So, ang gagawin pala natin, para makancel lahat sila is, multiply natin itong tatlo. Okay? So, multiply natin yung tatlo niya. Okay, so ganyan. Okay, you multiply this, and this, and this. Okay? Tingnan natin Pag minultiply mo itong tatlong to sa first expression, ano yung makakancel lang? Yung x minus 2? Tama? X minus 2 lang. So, natira yung 2, yung x, tsaka yung
it's negative
5. So, kaya, 2x, x minus 5. Okay, let's proceed. How about the second term? Ano yung mga cancel? X lang. Meron tayong 1, multiply 2, x minus 2, tsaka, kaya yun pa yung natira doon. Okay, let's do the same thing. Dito, ano yung mga cancel lang? Obviously. So, 3x times x times yun. Okay? Same. Minus. Ilagay na natin minus sign. Cancel yung x minus 5. Meron pa tayong x tsaka x minus 2. So, 2x, x minus 2. Okay. Now, here na. Okay. Yan. Correct mo muna yan dyan. Check mo muna kung tama na. Okay. After you've corrected that part, proceed tayo doon. Let's just expand. Or, not necessarily expand. You can actually factor out, no? Actually, I suggest that you ignore this part. Well, you can read this part. Okay? May suggestion pa lang. Pwede na hindi. In a sense na, di ba x minus 5 is a common factor? Diba? So let's factor that. Mangyayari. X minus 5, 2x na lang. Factor out yung x minus 5, x minus 2 na lang. So plus x minus 2. Okay, and then that is x minus 5. Denominator, meron ba na pwede factor out? X is minus 2, no? So, 3x and 2x, and then x minus 2. Okay, ito magiging x lang. Ano pa? X and then x minus 2. Ay, sorry. Dapat pala, ano na ito? Okay, and then sa numerator 2x plus x is 2x plus x. X minus 2. Yan. And then x minus 1. So, pwede pa tayo mag-cancel. So, matitira ito. Naka ito. Okay, yan. Okay, now, how do we determine now the domain? We go back to the original expression. Ano yung mga bawal dito? Kasi denominator nito, so 2 dito. 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 And then, so yun yung lahat. Yeah. Okay. Okay, another way. Instead of multiplying by that, you can do step by step. Ano ba step by step? You compute this part first, separately. You compute this part, then separately. Okay? So, paano yun? Going to write it, no? Different approach. So, different approach, same pa rin yung sagot. Okay, gagawin natin, we're going to perform the addition of numerator. Ayan, 1 over x. 1 over 3x. Minus ano to? Over. Okay. So in this case, we perform the operation muna. Okay, yun. Ito, magiging, ano yan? 2x na? 2x plus x minus 2 all over x and x minus. Now, divide that one. Remember na we have to write this one longer than this one. No? Okay? And then this one is, since same ang denominator, so that is just 3x minus 2 all over x minus 5. Okay na? So, ano na pwede gawin dito? Simplify mo na natin ito. This one becomes 3x minus 2 all over x times x minus 2. Etong division na to, gawin natin itong pinaka-pang division dito. Gawin natin multiplication. Reciprocal nito. So, all over. So, ano pwede gawin natin? That's it. Yan. So, the final answer is?
X minus 5 over
X minus 2. Okay? Yan. Okay, going back here. Ano lang hindi pwede? Same answer. X not equal to 0, x not equal to 2, and x not equal to 5.